Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I go by the name Gabriel for Gabi Angel Designs. If today is your first time watching our video, don't forget to subscribe so that anytime we upload new video, you'll be the first person to watch. So guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to change this picture from this to this, from this to this. Remember to like this video. If you don't understand anything, can you ask under the video? Thank you so much. So let's start. Just come to create a new fill or adjustment. Select hue and saturation. After that, come to master. Change it to yellows. After that, fill the lightness to +100. After that, let's reduce the saturation to -100. After that, make sure that you have click this area. Command Ctrl I to invert, or just come to image, adjustment, invert. That's simple. So after that, Command B on your keyboard, or just find your brush tool. Make sure that your colors is on default colors and your foreground color is white. The default colors are white and black. So you can just Command D on your keyboard to set your default colors. As I said, make sure that your foreground color is white. So guys, see. So guys, this is before and this is after. Before, after, before and after. This will bring us to the end of today's tutorials. If you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to Gabi Angel Designs. Like this video, comment under this video. If you have any question, you can also ask in the comment section. Thank you so much. Bye bye.